Two naval helicopters continue operations in haunted village in Eluru District on 16 July 2022. 6 sorties were flown to airdrop about 5,000 kg of relief material in Koida, Katkur and Kunavaram village, which continue to be inaccessible due to massive flooding of the Godavari River. Indian Navy had deployed 2 medium-lift US-3H helicopters in response to a request received from the Eluru District Administration. These helicopters have undertaken 18 sorties of airdropping of nearly 15,000 kg of relief material and excavating 6 standard villages since 14 July 2022. Video courtesy Indian Navy. Thank you for watching.